If I had the chance to go back in time and tell to my past self to actually buy something that I will not be regretting ever, will be this thing. I would do that totally. This brand sent it to me for this video, and I guarantee that you're not gonna regret getting this thing. It is just fantastic. Top tier. Whatever you think about massage chairs, forget about it. This thing, it is just so on top of everything. You have Thai, you have Shiatsu, you have deep massage, you have zero gravity, you have personalized sections, you have speakers. You can actually connect a device here and listen to your own relaxing music if you want. You have USB chargers, you have extensors for your leg support, you have a kind of like something that I don't want to say too much. You even have a tushy massager. This thing is just such a fantastic one. It's made of a really kind of like nice and leather-ish feel that makes it to be even modern and also stylish. But more than anything, how do you transport it? You have wheels on this one. So whenever you get it out of the box, it's a big box, by the way, but you have wheels to transport it. And you want to know something else? I was not expecting this. It even has an app. So you have all the controls over there. You can do everything with just your hand if you want, just with the screen over there, the touch panel. But this one even has an app. So I think that is just so good. Let's take a closer look. Let's start with some of the basics. This is a memory foam pillow. So this memory foam pillow, you can remove it if you want, and just take a look at this. Take a look to the actual massagers in action. You have all these knots over here that will go all the way back to your lumbar area and all the way up as well to your neck. If you want to actually have the real pressure, just remove the pillow. If you are like me, by the way, it comes with a zipper right here, but if you're like me that you don't like to have that much pressure on your neck, add this pillow and you're gonna rest your neck over here. By the way, this right here are gonna be the speakers. You have one speaker here and one speaker here. So you will be able to listen to your music kind of like on stereo. The same thing with this one. If you want, you can remove this area with the zipper over here. I don't recommend that, but if you really want some pressure on your lower area, you can do that. This is gonna be the place for you to put your arms inside, and you're gonna have all that air compression to your arms. And this, of course, is gonna be all your kind of like middle back area and the lumbar area right here, which it also has some breathable mesh right here, which is gonna be, again, for your tushy area. But also, this right here comes with a USB-C port, USB-A port actually, so you can put your devices to charge in here. And this knob is gonna be for managing the intensity and also putting the chair on gravity mode as well. Last but not least, you can see this right here, which you can adjust if you want, just to take it to be for how long your legs are, but this is how you're gonna feel all that compression as well, with air compression and also massager both on your calves and also your feet. But the real deal starts right here. If I hit either here on the panel or, this is so good. Here on the panel, oh, it's massaging my whole lumbar area. Oh, and now my feet. This is so fantastic. Again, if I hit the zero gravity right here, oh my God, this is great. This is by far the best massager chair that I try, even one of those mall ones, and when you go to a mall or something like that, this is just insane how good it is. It is doing everything at the same time. It's kind of like doing my lumbar area, a little bit of my neck. It's applying pressure, air pressure on my calves, on my feet as well. It's doing a massage right here on my tushy area while doing my shoulders as well. And I don't even have my arms inside of the side arms pressure. This is, oh my God, no pain, no gain, right? By the way, if you want to have total control, this is how the app looks like. Remember, you have relaxed, you have Chinese, you have Thai, you have the recovery mode. You even have the selector on the notes and the mode. You also have the airbags. You also have heat. You also have the zero gravity back again. If I hit that zero gravity as I showed you before, this is what's going to happen. So again, guarantee that you have the control right here with your app or with the panel. And if you're curious to see how the panel looks like, you have the same type of things that you have with the actual app, but just here on the top of your right arm, if you're gonna put it like that. So of course it's gonna work just perfectly, as well as the app. But just again, one more time, you have all the type of massages you want. You have the panel right here. You have speakers, USB-A charger, also a knob to control everything right here. You have heat, you have air pressure, you have Chinese, you have deep kneading, you have Thai massages, you have sections if you want, just for your neck, for your arms, for your shoulder, for your feet, for your knees, for your calves, for your tushy, for your lumbar area, and everything it's managed right here with the panel or with the app. Let's go zero gravity. I totally recommend this massage chair. It's just fantastic and goes above and beyond. Time to relax now. I hope this was helpful for you, and I'll see you soon.